Hey, my name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code. Double bass playing 16th and 8th notes part 2. Same concept as in part 1. If you have a black spot, you play single strokes, 16th note with a double bass. If you have a white spot, you play 8th notes, single strokes with a double bass. So, black, 1A ender. 4 strokes, 1 spot. White, 1 and 1 spot, 2 strokes. Or on the snare. Black, white. Black, white, white, white. Counting like this. 1A and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you have white, white, black, white, 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 black, white. Same with the double bass. But now comes the difference. We play on top, not 8th notes, we play quarter notes. Means on the right cymbal we play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you play quarter notes, make sure you always use the whole space of your movement. Not like this. Like that. It's a lot easier to keep that movement if you use the space. So your arm or your brain doesn't have time to think about what it could do with the rest of the time. So fill up the time between the hits. Okay, that's on top. We add the backbeat as well. So the constant pattern is quarter notes with the right hand and 2 and 3 with the left hand. Backbeat on the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding now the double bass with the black and white spots. If you play only black spots, black, 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 it sounds like this. Only white spots, it sounds like this. Alright, now we mix them in 16 combinations. Let's hear the first 5 lines of the 16 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's a lot harder to play these slow strokes on the right cymbal. Easier is playing the 8th notes. But still, like I said before, use the whole space. Then you feel the whole length of the quarter notes. Okay, so now you can play through the reading book with all the 4 spot sections. We'll mix it up where you have 2 groups of 4, or you go to the mix it up with 3 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 4. All sounds like this. I play you the 4 groups of 4, the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. All right. So now we are moving to the 3-spot section. The same concept. Black is 16th note, white is 8th note. But the constant pattern changes now because we only have 3 quarter notes to play. We have 1, 2, 3. 1 and the 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. We move the backbeat. The backbeat is not longer on the 2 or the 4 because there is no 4. There is a 2, but that sounds a bit strange. We play it right in the middle of the bar. That means we play it in between the 2nd and the 3rd quarter note. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's on 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So when we add now the bass drum, the double bass drum with the 16th and the 8th notes, it might sometimes sound like it's a 6/8 bar. Like for example, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You could count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To stay in control, to keep the control, but the reading book and the spots, we need to count in 3 because the patterns always change on the 1, 2, 3. So on the right symbol. That's your place where you can orientate. 1, 2, 3, and it's black, white, white. I'm gonna play you the 8 combinations, the whole page. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. So play in the 3-spot section, all the mix it up parts, it all works fine. In the end, you can do an improvisation, jumping from 4/4 patterns to 3/4 patterns, and you just do that when you change the backbeat. So the quarter notes always stay the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3. But if you change the backbeat, it sounds different. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to play a little solo, just mixing up these 2 ideas. All right, have fun with it and see you soon.